guys. This is the second shipment of parts for the computer build. In here should be only the power supply, but it should be pretty kick-ass. Let's take a look. Oh, check it out. Tagan BZ 1100. Let's take a look. So it's ABS Lab certified. It's SLI ready, which I may be doing later for try SLI. Oh, it's a modular power supply. So nice. And it has LEDs on the modular cable, so it looks really cool. Let's have a look. Of course, this isn't OEM. This is in the retail box. Let's just go ahead and open it up. Should be really nice, man. Check it out. Pouch. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, check it. All the cables for it. These light up after. Some wrist strap. Let's take a look. Molex. Molex to SATA power adapters. What do you call it? Really tired. Got off work at 1 today. Forgot the name. Rubber whatever for noise reduction. Ah, sweet. Can't tell if it's an anti-static wrist strap. I don't think so. With cable ties, 2 cable ties, screwdriver. This should be perfect size for all my computing. And ABS Labs gloves. I think they're anti-static gloves. Anti-static gloves. Oh man. And the power cord for the power supply. So I'm just gonna put this all back into this bag. Smells really new. It's awesome. Such a nice power supply. Let's put that away. User's manual with like a reptilian texture. Really cool. And the beast itself. Let's check it out. Oh man, this thing's awesome. Here we go. Check this out. Tagan BZ series, 120mm fan, big ass power supply, but really nice. Here are the modular cable adapters. Ah, still has some charge in it. Ah, man. PCI Express, so the 6 pin, 8 pins, other PCI Express, SATA, and Molex adapters. Main cable. Here we have, what is it, 12 pin, 6 pin, Molex, 8 pin, 4 pin, 2 pin, and where'd it go? And I'll have to look this up in the user's manual. I have no idea. I'm really tired. So, there it is. Hagen Easy 1100. Really nice power supply. Excellent, actually. Beautiful. Excellent. Let's check the whatever you call it over here. I'll turn the camera over here. Alright. Oh crap. Sorry for the bad for the blurriness, like it's out of focus. Okay, so max combined power, whatever, 170, 960, whatever, so 1060 watts. Total power 1100 watts. AC input, whatever. Yeah, I'll just get back to you on this. I'm really tired, but awesome power supply. It's like the best thing I've ever seen. Alright, so I'll see you later with the next shipment of parts. And I have no idea what that will be. It will either be the RAM or the motherboard or something I can get at Canada Computers. So I'll see you then. Bye.